Here we are. So as you know, the first step is we'll look at the future scan. So you can see that silver, copper, natural gas, they are very bearish. ES and NQ are very bullish. So we'll mainly look for buy signals on ES and NQ, scalping buy, and we look for sell signals on silver, copper. Generally because it is Asia session, so we can focus on the metals. If it is sell on silver, we can enter the shorts. I'm taking a short on silver. So taking shots on GC. So we have shots with GC and silver now. We take profits at 37,115,110 because whenever it comes to the bottom, we want to book the profits. It's nearly 400 plus dollars with silver. Took multiple profit on silver, right? You can see the trend is bearish. RSI is completely bearish. It went to the top. We got a sell signal. So we took shorts multiple times. We are still holding GC. GC also should drop in some time. Yeah, if you join setup session, right, I mentioned earlier that this is very bullish. So whenever you see a buy signal, you go long. If trend is very bullish, so better you don't take the shots. Just focus on the buy signals. Same thing with ES. So it touched the bottom, going up. But again, if we get a sell, we can enter short again. While GC drops, you can keep playing with silver. less than 15-20 minutes. Right, we started at 8:10. Now it is 8:30. So we made nice profits with silver. We made nice profits with GC. Right, that's it. Every day, repeat the same thing. Between right 8 o'clock, there will be some volatility. So that's why we generally start at 8:05. We looked at the trend. We saw that silver, copper, they were very bearish. Generally, silver, gold, they move in same direction. Copper, because it already moved 19% down, so we did not take the risk. We saw that these are bullish, but comparatively during this time, these are better tickets, right? Compared to indices. This morning time, we can focus on indices. Evening time, we focus on metals. So we just waited for the sell signal at the top. Uh, a huge drop. That's it. Whenever you get that opportunity again, you can keep doing the same thing. Right? I hope it is clear for everyone. Please let me know if anyone has any questions. At morning time, it will be little difficult because of the volatility. During this time, it will be easy for you to take the trades. Yes, Sanjeev.
Thank you, Kishore Garu. I think it's very self-explanatory, and I was able to follow along, and it's book some profits. I have a question on the new indicator, the RC Future Level Manager.
Mhm.
There are some new things that have come up. So, have you already recorded a session on what those things are?
Yeah, I did that. Let me share a video.
Is there a recording already there? You don't have to do it again here. If there is a recording, I'll watch it.
Yeah, there is a recording.
And the
I'm
only
sharing.
thing it's not in that table is what you just shared, the new table, right? That's not there. You were not able to add it into the future level manager.
Which table?
The one that you showed just previously, where
Yeah,
you
it is
added.
already there in the Future Slot Manager.
Huh?
You have to just delete and add it back. You will see.
Can you please go back to your previous screen? I think it's a RC. Yeah, turn on that one, not that one. Um, There was a one green just I just saw before you unmuted me.
You mean the candles or?
No, the actual table. You remember you had the table, new table. You thought you will include that in the RC future level manager. What do you call that as?
Okay, okay. This one, you mean this one?
Yes, sorry, this table.
Yeah, I tried to include that, but because of the performance issues, it is
Okay,
not loading for many users. So that's
okay,
why we kept this as a separate indicator.
okay. So how do I get that if I need to get that? It's it.
Yeah, you can share your username.
Okay.
You will give access to it.
Okay, perfect. I will send you a message. So if you go back to the RC future level manager, I only have two questions. I won't take much time. Yes. So in this, the bottom left, you see a small table, all which shows bearish, right? So if you close that
Right.
one, yeah. So how do I read this table and the bottom table, which is the time frame, and the one table which is at the top? What's the correlation between those three? Yeah.
So basically, this one is RSI, right? That
Right.
shows like if most of it is looking red, that means overall trend is bearish.
Okay.
And then here you have most of
Score
it
mean
is
anything? Score mean anything within that? Like 1 minute 42, if 50 is more better than
yeah,
anything below
above 50
50.
means bullish, below 50 means bearish.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So yeah, you basically look at the colors. So, so generally you to all the levels here.
Right. Right. So what is the about table is trying to tell me? The one that has different colors. So click OK to that. Yeah, what is that table is trying to tell me at the top? 1 minute. Volume, current
This one,
trend. No, no, the one,
mm,
the big one. Yes.
okay, okay. This one is basically giving you the trend in different time frames.
Okay.
So in 3 minutes it is bearish, 5 bearish, 15 bearish, 30 bearish, 1 hour bearish, 2 hours bearish. So nearly it is bearish in most of the time frames. So
Yeah.
overall current position is bearish, current trend is bearish.
Yeah.
This
The
is
two.
giving the summary.
Yeah. The 211 is the volume, but is it in the thousands or just the exact number? Where?
Yeah, you can ignore that is just yeah, whatever is happening currently. How many
Oh,
transactions
okay.
are
On the
going
current,
on?
current,
Right.
not overall.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, not
Okay.
overall.
Not overall. Okay.
Yeah, it is not required, but yeah, overall, if you see the color, it is bearish.
Okay. And
So
at
again,
the
it came all the way down. We take the profits. Again, it goes up. You get a sell signal. Again, you enter a short.
right. For the above table where it says symbol, level, RSI, TS, and score, it's
Right.
level.
So
What?
level is going downwards. That means it is below the magnetic level. 4 levels down the magnetic. That
Okay.
means the trend is bearish.
Right. Right.
Score, if score is high, that means it is bullish. If score is close to 2, 3, 4 like that, that means it is bearish.
Okay. Okay. And it's
So
more in range. Okay.
mm, yeah.
Okay. So the overall concept still remains the same. If I see a T5 red or green dot,
Right, yeah,
then I need to
there,
get a
yeah,
confirmation.
that is
Yeah,
same. Only here we are
confirmation
adding
without
more visual
this.
representation, so we don't go the again as the trend. If the trend is
Correct.
looking right
Correct.
here, sometimes what happens is right.
Correct.
Generally, we think like most of the days are range days, but whenever the trend is very bullish, so even though it came to the swing sell thing, but still the trend is very bullish. Your strength is
Okay.
48.5. Your RSI is
Okay.
completely green in all time. So better you avoid taking the sell signals.
Okay.
Just you
On
wait
the
for the
last silver call, yeah, on the last silver chart, you say you mentioned let's take profit at 33 something. How did we know that?
because it is coming close to the bottom of the band, better, right? Especially with the prop firms, we don't want to take risk, right? It came all the way to the bottom of the band.
Oh, okay. You're looking at the RC future level managers band.
Right, yeah, because from the top you got a sell. Generally, it comes to the bottom, and again we may get a buy. Again, it will go up. Again, we will get a sell. Because of
Okay.
that, yeah, we don't want to take risks. So when it came to the bottom of the band, we took the profit. But yeah, overall, it is still very bearish.
Yeah.
It is telling that you can still enter here. This is target one, target two, target three, target four. But
Yeah. If we
yeah,
can play close attention to this, we can do quick scalping like $50 or whatever if you have patience.
right,
Something.
right.
Okay, got it. Okay. I think what I don't have turned on is the band. That may be something worthwhile. And yeah, I think I'm good. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, Casey, do you have any questions?
Hey, Kishore, thanks, Andy. Quick question, the GC, I think since yesterday or today, the contract got adjusted to December in TradingView for me.
Right, yeah.
The
Even if
levels,
Ninja Trader, it is already December.
okay. So
So
your levels from GC for GC futures is still showing the old.
right, yeah, from
Um,
tomorrow you will see the latest levels. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's all. I just wanted to
Right,
just confirm that.
sure.
All right, yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, there is a personal account. We have it. I missed taking this in the personal, because in the personal account also you can make same 300, 400 every day.
Kishore garu, sorry, quick Casey Andy. Um, um, the table earlier, like the other gentleman was asking, is it possible to add to me as well? Like, should I email my ID or the?
If you have a 5 indicator plan, you can post your trading username in the
Okay,
chat.
okay. In the chat or?
In the Ninja App Export.
Okay, sure. And then also, I wanted to update my credit card information. Should I just post it there as well?
Yeah, you can go to the bot, enter status. You
Okay,
can status, and then it will show you update your payment method. Then you
okay,
can change the credit card number.
sure. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Amar, Venu, do you have any questions? Venu, I can't hear you if you're talking. Yeah, AK, do you have any questions?
Hello?
Yeah, AK, please go ahead.
Yeah. Kishore sir, you said you're gonna update that annual plan for 3 indicators. Were you able to
Yeah,
do that?
it is done.
Oh,
You
it
can
is.
go to the bot and you will see.
Okay.
Yeah, Jay, do you have any questions?
Yeah, just a small question. Is it good to go short on NQ now?
Yeah, that's what I told you, right? Generally, it is risky to go, right? Especially your trend strength is very high. That means buyers are very, very strong. There are so many buyers. So you can see 48.3. Generally, 20 to 25 means it is 50-50 between buyers and sellers. But if it is above 25, that means the buyers are very, very strong. So yeah, it is little risky. Yeah, better, right? When the trend is completely bullish, RSI is completely green, trend strength is very, very strong. It is risky to go against the trend.
When do you think it's good to short then?
Um, right. Again, if you want low risk trades, minimum your 1,515 should be red. If you want to take risk, sometimes you can make money, but if you want to take low risk, better you wait all these three. If they turn red and if you see a sell at the top, that is the best time.
No, no, thank you.
Yeah. That is where most of the time we make mistakes because we think like, yeah, it moved nearly 300, 400 points. But because the trend is so strong, buyers are not clear, right? Sellers are trying to bring it down. Immediately, buyers are taking it up.
Mm.
Since yeah, last 15 minutes of the market close, it started moving so high. That's why you got the bull puts for tomorrow.
Okay.
So it was a huge move. Yeah, you should have gotten personal accounts, but yeah, nearly yeah, with one contract, that's $8,000. Yeah, it is better avoid going against the trend. The trend is so strong. So unless right, you see tomorrow morning, if we see a huge sell block or something, and if these start turning red, then we can think about shorting. But tonight, I better don't because Microsoft, Meta, everything give good earnings.
Right.
Yeah, but do you have any question?
Hello. Yeah, sure. So this is Amar. So I'm a very newbie. I've been doing it for the past 2 weeks, I guess.
Hmm.
So initially, I was just wanted to follow and learn. So
Right.
the indicators that I've selected were not relevant, right? The art sorry the future level manager and the
Hmm.
T S5 is what
If-
I'm use effectively. But
Right.
I got the pulse, I think, pulse, which I'm not using. So I wanted to check to see if I can get that updated to MTF future scan in the table that you are showing.
Yeah, you can send your trading username and then you will remove the price pulse. Well, generally, price pulse is good for options. When you see the very big buy blocks or sell blocks, you can enter long or short.
Okay,
So
so then instead using the MTF future scan, you suggest using the price pulse, right? So that I can go to the um,
yeah,
respective block and then see how it is trending.
right.
Okay, then I'll keep it. That's question number one. Question two is, so I do so when you did this silver trade
Mm,
when we started this call, right?
right.
So w- w- what made you feel that we can so many first you got an assessment from MTF future scan,
Right.
but what other so you saw this table, yes, you said that okay, silver and copper is all
Right. All right. And
bearish, right? So
right.
bearish, so it has 15 points, so said that okay, let's do. But when you went to the silver uh, a silver board,
Right.
so how do you make the judgment call that it is going down trend?
Now we have multiple reasons, right? One is the first thing is you can see sellers here, right? If you
Right.
see a red block, that means there are a lot of sellers waiting here.
Okay.
Your entire table is bearish here. Your entire table is bearish here.
Right.
And you see sellers, and we got a sell at the top.
Okay. So you looked for the sell signal at the top and then you
Right.
took the call.
Yeah.
Okay. And then while
Generally,
it is not
whenever you are bearish, right? If you are looking for a bearish ticker like silver, GC, then we should look for a sell at the top.
okay.
If we are looking for a bullish ticker, we should wait for a buy at the bottom. We should look
Okay.
for
Understood.
yeah. If we follow that one, yeah, most of the time we'll make money. Sometimes, yeah, with FOMO. Today I also made a mistake where already it moved so much high. Right
Right.
before that FOMC, we took a buy at the top. It dropped and again it came to the bottom and again it moved so much high later.
Yeah.
But
I think
yeah,
my account is closed. Today I've exhausted my account, so I failed again. But I'll purchase in the trade again. But the third question I have is, what is that blue line indicating in the silver? So that EN 33358.
oh, that is telling that okay, this is a good point for enter. This is the target one. This is the target two. That means this is a low risk trades, right? So again, if you want to quickly enter, you can enter at the top. But it
Okay.
is telling the trend is so bearish. If it, so, generally this is the support level. It should come here and then bounce. But it
Okay.
is for dropping further, so it is telling you can enter a short. This is target one. This is target two. This is target three. This is target four.
Okay.
So
And you
generally, it will hit.
these targets.
Yeah, these are targets for the short.
Okay. Follow. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. I think I'll do it again. So I'll take one more account and then see if I can.
Yeah. Better don't take in the morning. Even if you take in the morning, just to go with micros. In the evening time, it is more easy. The trend will be generally in one way. In the morning time, there can be a lot of volatility because of news or other different reasons. But if you do in the evening time, it will be more easy. Especially you can look at metals. If they are very bullish, you go long. If they are very bearish, you go short.
Okay. All right. I think I'll follow the instructions.
Yeah,
And
sure.
then I'll live with so I'll keep pulse.
Yeah, price pulse is good mainly if you want to trade stocks or options. This one is mainly good for futures level manager T5 and that MTF futures scan. But if you want to trade stocks and options, then price pulse, stocks level manager, they are the good ones. The price pulse will tell you where there are big companies are trying to sell, big companies are trying to buy.
Okay. And how do we read the price pulse of price pulse has momentum, money flow, trend, and trend strength and volatility, right?
Right.
So if everything is red, then obviously we can go for a short. But
And same, everything is green or you see a huge buy block. Right. For example, today we saw a huge buy, right? In the last 10-15 minutes before the market close, we saw there was a big buy block. The price came to the discount area. There were some thousands of orders here. So price touched it, and then it started going up.
okay, so
For
the
example,
pulse, so pulse.
mhm.
Okay, so the price pulse would, how do we read this price pulse? It's only the table that's at the bottom, or?
No, you have the blocks, right? If you see these blocks, if
Okay,
you see 291, if you see bigger the numbers, then much better opportunities.
meaning
For
the
let me show you the example. You understand better. So, for example, you see lot of sellers here. Right? They are
okay,
trying to sell. So,
right,
if you see red, that means they are sellers. So, if the numbers are much bigger, that means that your probability is much more for a big drop.
okay. So anything more than 10-15% is good, or?
Yeah. So again, if it comes somewhere here, it can go up. But yeah, generally it is, yeah, for SPX it will be in millions. For metals it can be little less, but yeah, there are still some 19% of orders are pending here. If it goes here again, it will drop.
Okay,
So you have sellers waiting here. So whenever price goes and touch that, there is a possibility again. If you see green candles and then you see a red candle, that means it will drop.
okay, okay.
Like which,
So that means so wherever we have that red bar that shows 149 is is a support line, right? So if it goes there, then it'll start falling down.
these are like resistance. Yeah, these red colors are resistance. Right, they are like resistance lines.
Right.
That means price is resisting to go above that.
Okay.
So
But
these
if that
green are like support lines.
okay. But if it okay, if it comes down to the green,
Mhm.
then it will the number of sellers, so the buyers would be more, not the sellers at the time, right?
Yeah, but if there is any major bad news, there might be more sellers and they may break the support. But if it is
Okay.
a normal scenario, generally this is where big companies want to buy.
Okay.
So price, if you have a lot of orders here, then generally price will reverse from this point. It will come here and then it will start reversing.
Okay. But right now it is only 5% or something for the buyers, right?
Yeah, there is not much here. So there is a possibility it can go a little more down. So there are more here. So it may go all the way till here.
Okay. Okay.
But it will not be direct, right? It will not directly come all the way here. Again, it will do some small pullback and again it will come.
Right. And how do we read this table, the down, the metric table?
Yeah, basically it is giving you from different time frames.
Okay.
So big companies are trying to sell. The overall trend is bearish. The strength is very, right. Whatever is the trend, there is a lot of strength. 47, 27, 49. That means sellers are very strong.
Okay.
Like
Understood.
that. So if the strength is less, that means it is choppy. Suddenly it can go up, suddenly it can go down. But if the strength is in one side, if it is very high, so here if you see for NQ, the trend is bullish, strength is very, very high. That means buyers are very strong.
Right.
Whereas for silver, trend is bearish, strength is high. That means sellers are very strong.
Okay.
But if this is in red color, that means whatever is the trend, that is very, very choppy. Suddenly it can go up, suddenly it can go down like that. So we have to avoid such type of. If you see strength very completely green, that means you focus on the sell side.
Understood. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Mm,
Kishore sir, can I ask you a quick question?
yeah, please go ahead.
So it's regarding the bull puts.
Mhm.
Just pulling those. So let's say this bull put for today. So it was 637075,
Right.
and we are collecting 125. So
Mhm.
here, maximum loss. Let's say it doesn't matter how much it fall, but my
Okay,
maximum
usual.
loss will be 375. Correct?
That is right. Yeah.
Okay. It doesn't matter how much it falls, maybe 200 points, but still the loss is limited. Do I need
That
to
is.
close that trade or just let it expire? Nothing, no
We
assignment.
can let it expire. Yeah. There is no assignment or anything with SPX.
Oh, okay.
So you can just let it expire.
Okay. Thank you.
Or you can roll over, right? I wanted to, yeah, tell to roll over, but yeah,
Yeah.
because it was moving so fast in the last, I thought if it moved another one candle would have moved into
Yeah,
profits. But,
that would have been best.
mm,
So when you roll over, there will be some, maybe you receive small credit or something like that, right?
yeah, basically you are closing today's and opening for tomorrow. Then, yeah, you may receive some additional credit because for tomorrow the credit will be much more higher.
Oh, okay.
Today, if you are receiving $100, 125, for tomorrow it will be 250 or something like that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So you are closing today's and you are opening tomorrow's. So then, yeah, if it goes above the price by tomorrow morning, then all that money is yours.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Ramesh, do you have any question?
Sorry, Kishore, just let me 1 second. Let me share my screen. This is, oh, you're not giving me the sharing option. Okay, so in the DOM, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, can you see my screen?
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah.
Yeah. So the DOM, this is suddenly this dynamic mode on. Okay, what happens
Mm-hmm.
is adjusting price automatically. So how do I can switch off? Do you know anything?
Yeah, click on that.
It's nice. It's 1 hour off. That's all. But is
Yeah.
the screen is automatically moving out. It adjusting center automatically. Earlier it was there is a only we can whenever we click that one it goes to center, right? That
Right.
somehow that somehow is replaced. I don't know where that is controlled.
Mm, you go to another tab and open it. Generally, it should.
Okay.
Mm,
Let me try. Thank you. I will
yeah,
try.
yeah. Venu, do you have any questions?
Hello, hello, Kishore garu.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right, I joined like 2 weeks back. So today I tried that beat the beast challenge. So I made it not 2000, but maybe like 1500, something like that. But yeah, I think yeah, I feel like it's somewhat whatever you are saying, like so that is working. So maybe I would have gone with a couple of quantity I would have increased. So that's what I feel. Like I have a
Yeah.
small, yeah, limited time. So within the half an hour, I tried actually. So it works.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Just it. Yeah. As you gain more confidence, you can slowly increase the size. Right? Sometimes
yeah,
I take 2, 3 contracts if I see set up well. But yeah, initially it is better you go slow.
yeah, right, right.
Once you gain, right, you understand, you gain more and more confidence, then you can increase the position size or yeah. So now it came all the way to the bottom. Now it is, but because the trend is overall bearish, we can ignore the buy and again wait for the next sell signal. But yeah, that B challenge will happen again on Friday, so you can complete on the day. So
Okay, yeah,
whatever you made, if you make another 500,000 on Friday, then they will convert that into performance account.
yeah, okay.
Hmm. Uh, yeah, Raj, do you have any questions?
Hi, Kishore. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead. We can.
Yes. So is it good or bad to take money out of the take profit once you hit the buffer zone? I have a 150K account and I think the buffer zone is 3,300. After I cross it, say let's say I made 300 above that level, is it good to take the money out or is it
Generally, what I suggest is better you build some buffer.
okay?
If you build some buffer, then your stop loss will move, right? For example, let us say you make 158,000. Then now
Okay.
your stop loss is 8,000
Stop loss is at what now?
at 150K. That means you have 5,000 buffer to take the trades.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that will be an advantage. And also, yeah, once you make 155, 156, every day you can go and take 1,000, 1,000 each day. You can keep that 5,000 buffer or you can have 5,000 like that. And then you can keep on taking yeah, daily payouts. Or you can even request multiple times also. You make $1,000, go and you can request.
I
So
see.
now you wait for the silver to go to the top, and again if you get a sell, you again take a trade. You'll make another $500, $400.
Right, right. So basically, whenever you take a payout, the drawdown is adjusted down.
Yeah, that will continue at 150K.
Okay, it cannot go lower than that, correct?
Right.
Okay, if you, let's say you made 160K, 10K above 150,
Hmm.
your drawdown is still at 150, right?
Right.
And if I take 5,000, for example, the drawdown is at 155 or 150?
150. It will continue to be at 150.
Okay, regardless of that
Right.
takeout.
Right.
I see, I see. If I take 5,000 out in this example, I have only 5,000 buffer, or do I
Right.
have 10,000 buffer?
No, you have only 5,000 buffer.
5,000 buffer. Okay. Okay. All right.
Treat that as real cash. So they want you to first make some money and then use that money for your trading.
I see.
Right? They don't want you to take some risky trades and lose the $5,000
Oh, okay. Okay. I mean,
because
what?
now once you make 155,000, that means 5,000 is it is like your money.
Right. Right.
You are using that 5,000 and taking the trades. As long as you are above 150, your account will continue.
I see. I am also new and it takes time to build these things, right? So what I'm worried about is after all these days work, let's say I made 5,000 or something like that, and I apply for a payout. Are they going to come up with some strange rules that I will be
Generally, Take Profit Trader is a good company. I never saw any issues with them.
Okay. But
So that's why generally we recommend Take Profit and Tradify. These two companies generally they give payouts without any issue.
Okay.
Apex and ETF, they sometimes they create some issues, or they say that oh you did not do proper risk management, or you took ES and NQ, ES long, NQ short, or they can say some different reasons. So
I see.
those companies are good for practice purpose, but
Yeah.
for payouts, these Take Profit and Tradify, these are the best ones.
Okay. And if at all, like we violated any rule, we will know right away, right? They will not wait until the payout to check if we violated any rule, right?
Again, violation means there are different types of violation, right? So some types of violations, your stop loss violation, or you trade during the news, or such type of things, immediately you will know.
I see.
But if you are trading something like opposite contracts, you are taking NQ long and MNQ short
Those kind of things they will check during the payout.
during the payout.
And
So
that will be
generally, yeah, generally you don't get any issues from Take Profit Trader. If you
okay.
completed it, generally they will give the payout 95% or 99% of the time.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
So again, if you are
Yeah.
if you don't want to take any risk, so what you do is make some 150 to 156 or something, and then
Okay.
take $1,000 payout. So
Okay.
keep taking 1,000, 1,500, yeah, every day, so that you don't want to wait until 160 or something.
Okay.
Right? If you so that whatever your time or you got your 1,000, 1,500 back, and now
Yeah.
you have a PA account where you can again continue to build it.
Okay. Okay. Kishore, can I share my screen just so that I can ask my question?
Yeah. Or let me help others and then I
Okay.
let you.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
Sure, this is Wayne.
Yeah, will you please go ahead?
Yeah, so GC, right? So when I you sent some those things right in the text, so it is not showing the levels. A GC1 or a GCZ 2025? Which one is correct?
Yeah, now both are same, right? Till yesterday, TradingView has October, Ninja Trader was having December,
Mhm.
but now everything is December. So
Yeah,
you can
but
use,
the levels are not showing them. I don't know why.
yeah, from tomorrow you will see the correct levels for GC.
Oh, after the daily levels.
Right.
Oh, tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
because it's the contract month changed today. So,
oh, okay. Got it. Thank you.
but you should, why are you not saying you should see support
Can
7?
you share quickly?
Just a minute.
Yeah, see, can you GCZ 2025?
No, you should not enter GCZ. You should go to GC1.
Oh, GC.
Or your notepad should have GCZ instead of GC. In the file, you have to change it to GCG. Then you will see
Oh, I
the
need to
level.
change it. So I need to put everything GCZ 2025.
Yeah. Or you can
Oh,
just, in the here, you select GC1, then you will see the levels.
oh, actually, it's not sync. As I discussed yesterday to you, right? So that's that yesterday we changed it. You remember? Sure.
Right. Yeah. Yesterday there was sync was missing, but today I think both
Oh,
Ninja
we're
Trader
working.
and TradingView both are same. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got it.
So
Okay.
if you type here and sees GCZ,
Okay.
so
I will
basically you
use
see the
GC1 for just for today, right? Today and tomorrow.
no for next 1 month you can use GC1. So
Oh,
whenever that contract month changes, only one day you may have a discrepancy between TradingView and the
oh,
Ninja Trader.
oh,
Yesterday Ninja Trader changed yesterday itself. GC TradingView changed today. But as long as you see the same numbers here, 3344.9.8.
Yeah, numbers are same. The only thing is the levels are not showing up. Maybe that is the reason. I need to use GC1.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Tamil Selvan, do you have a question?
Yeah. So what was the some challenge somebody was talking about? I haven't joined the call for a few days. So
Yeah,
again,
Elite Trader Fund will do that beast challenge, right? Where you make whatever is the size of the account. If you make 2000 or 1500 before noon, then they will give you a performance account. So if you take a 150K and take some 1 or 2 good trades, then you will complete your challenge within 1 day.
in LA,
Then
it's still valid?
yeah, they keep contest every 2-3 days, 1 week once they will do that contest.
Okay.
So that is, we need to make 9,000. If we take 150K account, we need to make 9,000.
Yeah, generally you have to make 9,000, but instead of 9,000, they will give you, even if you make 2,000 before noon, and you have to go and fill the form on the Discord page, then immediately they will give you a performance account. You don't need to make all 9,000.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
Are they good with the payouts, Kishore?
Yeah, sometimes they make payouts, but sometimes they keep those little restrictions on averaging all those things. But yeah, there are many members who are receiving payouts from them.
Okay. That is a one question. And the other one. Okay, so today morning actually I joined the call at 5 your 6:15 7:15 time. And I took take profit trader. Like, I had 4 accounts, 2 of them buy, 2 of them sell. Actually, I got like 4,500 on a couple of accounts.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Yeah. For GC, shall we wait for some time until
Yeah, you wait for the sell signal.
50?
Yeah, Kishore garu, good evening.
Yeah, you can wait until 3350 and yeah, wait for the sell signal. If you get a sell, you can take a short.
Okay, on 3 minutes. So in price pulse, if you see there is like a large bug at 50.
Right, yeah. It can reverse at that point.
Okay. For silver also wait until the top, then we'll do.
Yeah, again it may go till here, and then again you can take a short.
Okay. So and regarding a trades, so I go with actually larger size. I start with like 4 contracts of ES or like 3 or 4 for NQ and GC. Most of the time it is okay, but sometimes if it goes in opposite direction, I'm somehow not taking a top stop loss. So I wait until it reverses, then sometimes it blows the account.
Yeah, see, whatever is working for you, right? If you think that strategy is not working, better you go with one contract. Or immediately, even if you take 3 or 4 contracts, you go with immediately put a stop loss. So see, like whatever is working for you.
Okay.
So, but yeah, basically, if the trend is bullish, you just stay on the bullish buy signals. If the
Okay.
trend is bearish, you focus on the sell signals.
Okay. Yeah, this is what I am trying to do. So I am just trying to do a reverse one. So I'm waiting for
Yeah.
reversal and taking opposite ones. The
No,
problem is,
if the markets are in range, that is a good strategy, waiting for reversals. But market is going up and up
yeah,
without a reversal. So better we stay in the trend. If markets are trending, stay with the trend. If markets are in a range, you can do the let it go until the top and then wait for a reversal. But because markets, most of them, right, if GC starts dropping, then it is dropping like anything. If it
yes,
starts going up, it is going up for 1 week like anything.
yes.
So that's why better you stay with the trend. ES and Q also, they moved so much, they are still
Yeah,
continue to go up, and Q is going up and up.
yeah, that is the problem, right? So if it is in the top support level, and if it is giving a little pullback, right? So if you see here, like 3 red candles, and again it is going up, and 1 red candle,
And
then
that's
again.
where you see the trend strength. If the strength is so high, then instead of 3 or 5, you have to go to 15 minutes.
Okay.
So in 15 minutes, do you see any major red candle? Right? You don't see. So you got one Indian candle. There is a small candle. Just here you got some two candles, but your T5 is continued to be green throughout.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Whenever strength is high, you go to the higher time frame. Don't stay in a lower time frame.
Okay. So you mean like more than around 40 or something then?
Yeah, better you. All right, you have to wait for minimum 15 minutes or two, three red candles to go short.
Okay. So the problem is if I wait for 2, 3 red candles in 15 minutes, then it's mostly all the we never
Or,
know, right?
but you have so many other tickers, right? Why you want to only use ES where it is so bullish? Yeah. But it is
Okay.
risky, right? That's why we took a GC today or silver today, right? Because we saw that RSI is completely red, trend is completely red. So rather than focusing on ES or NQ, we focused on. So like that's where
Okay.
it will help you to understand. Okay, out of this, okay, these are
Kishore
completely.
garu, don't mind. Can you explain for the RSI, how do we check that? I mean, for the strength wise, when it is a red, how do we read that?
You mean strength or
Oh yeah, the RSI when we yeah, this one level 8 and the range and all, it shows, right, the RSI red and oh, the TS is 23.6. TS means is the trend line or what it is?
it is the trend strength.
Oh, okay, trend strength. Okay.
So if the
So
strength is more, that means sellers are right. If it is above 20, 25, higher, if it is more than 25, that means sellers are very, very strong.
okay,
Right?
so
Watch.
if it okay, so if it is a green color RSI, that means is it the bullish strength
Yeah, that is bullish
above
strength.
25? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. How do we check that level and level 8 and day minimum uh,
So
there?
that's what you're right. It dropped below 7 levels
Okay, okay,
from the magnetic. So this is where you have equal number of buyers and sellers. But
okay,
it dropped 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels, 7 levels. Now it is at the level 8.
okay, okay,
That means it is so much oversold.
okay, okay.
So in this case, is potentially there is a reversal, right?
Yes.
Is
Yeah, potentially
oversold.
there is a reversal, but here you have buyers.
Yes.
So better you wait until this point, even if you want to take a long position.
Okay.
Or you take a sell here. You have sellers here. You have buyers.
Okay.
As long as you see most of these red color, then focus on the sell signals. Right? If this is red, this
Okay.
is mainly red, you focus on the red. If
Yeah, Kishore, got one more question. So for the ETA, for the ETF, for the beast is done today, right? Again, do we have tomorrow?
I think they do it on Fridays again.
Oh,
It,
okay. What I observe is they doing when there is a events and all. Yeah, Fridays also they do. Today they did that. Uh, yeah, so maybe they will do tomorrow also. Yeah. So and also just wanted to glad to inform you, Kishore Garu. I got that. I mean, two of the accounts I got just I submitted the payout request, waiting for their approval and all. Yeah,
congrats, congrats,
for
sir.
the ETF. So other accounts I got that, but only ETF only reached certain amount. So yeah, I requested for the payout. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you
yeah,
receive it. Congrats. I know
yeah.
you're
Yeah,
working
thank
hard
you
and
so much,
successful.
Kishore.
Yeah.
All your help and your indicators help like anything. Yeah, so yeah, so
Thank
that is the one thing. And also today I missed that there is a lot of opportunity with the take profit trader. So can you just give me what we need to take care while when there is a events and all? You explained me afternoon, but just I confused that. So you said that 1 minute before, after, before, we don't want to take any trades, right?
Right, in the pro accounts, you should not, yeah.
So say suppose if 1:30 is the meeting, right? So
Meeting is not considered as an event. If they're releasing a report, right, with the numbers, there can be a major change. Generally, before that report, right, at 7:30, if there is a report, or 1 p.m. there was a report they are publishing. So that is where you should not trade.
so how would you get to know, Andy? And exactly today there is a lot of opportunity up and down, but I did not take any trades. After 3 p.m. only, I made just I took the some shots with the ES. Anyhow, I got that $1,000 in 15 minutes or something. So, but from the morning, I just seeing that up and down. I did not take any trades. I'm not sure. I mean, if they cancel my account and all, so that's the reason I did not take any trades with the.
Generally, one is they will send the email saying like, yeah, there is a news event, don't trade. Then
Yeah,
there is one more thing called forexfactory.com.
yeah, yes, yeah.
If you see
So
there,
that I am, yeah, but timings wise, I'm not sure, Andy. So that's what.
that's what generally 7:30 a.m. CST is where you should not trade in the pro accounts. Generally,
Okay.
that is where most of the report. The only FOMC is where they release at 1 p.m. Central. Otherwise, most of the reports are at 7:30 a.m. Central. So don't trade
So
1 minute before.
7:30. Now can I trade 7:35?
Yeah, anything after 7:31, 7:32 you can trade.
Kishore garu.
Yeah, from 7:32 you can take trades.
Oh, okay.
1 minute before, 1 minute after
Oh,
you should.
okay. Yeah. Okay.
But in evaluation, you can take at any
Oh,
point
okay.
of time.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah. I got all the PS and just I'm trying to do my. Just I don't want to lose anything. So yeah.
Yeah, good.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Yeah.
And I think somebody was talking now, right? So how many trains do you take? I have been trying for like few months, then somehow I keep on failing it. At least one day.
Level manager is helping like anything. So if you see in Kishore garu the screen, there is in the down there is a white line, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there I kept the orders for the buy orders, and the other one is there is a yellow line, sorry, red line on the top, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Beyond that point, I just um,
Close
keep
it.
some sell orders.
Oh, okay. So you go with long. You don't scalp it.
No. I scalping, but this is how I'm doing the scalping and all.
Okay. So you.
Fastly, yeah. Fastly, I'm closing, and again I take the trades until it reach to that red and all. Yeah.
Okay.
Only
So
scalping only I can able to do that. So stop. I practice, but somehow I miss the profits and all. So I stop that here.
okay. How many contracts do you go?
Only two with yes. That's it. Only yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
only couple of contracts. Okay.
No, only yes. So NQ it will not help us. I mean, maybe you will get money, but the same way we will lose also.
Okay.
Only,
So you don't use
so
price for anything or a block. You simply go with the level manager.
yeah, level manager and price falls also. I will check that there is a orders and all.
Okay.
Yeah. So yesterday, so I around like 3,500 I got that. Uh,
So okay. So
yeah,
how many trades do you take? So you wait for. So let's say if this current one, right? Uh,
yeah.
in the current screen, you see the resistance 7. So
Yes.
it
Yeah.
crossed at 8 o'clock, right?
Yeah, not in the night time, daytime when there is a high volume and all. So around 8:30, quarter to 9. That time I entered the trades.
Okay. So
Yeah, so my suggestion is just to take Apex trading, 250 account or 300 account, just to practice for that, only for the practice. How do we take and how do we close the trades? Best practice for 1 week, then you can once you hands on that, you can take the trades with the take profit and other accounts.
yeah, I have been doing okay, but the
Yeah.
problem I have been for so long, but somehow it's not working out clearly. So now I started.
Yeah, all our emotions are when we use that ES and all. So our emotions are in control. When we use only two contracts, I took only two contracts. That's it. Until if I say suppose if it is loss like around 2000 or 2500, even though I will hold the trade same loss with the two accounts only. So once I see the signal whether buy or sell, then only I will add the average. I will do the average, but normally I never suggest to do the average and all. Yeah, so that is how I'm just doing that. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So even if it goes in opposite direction, you hold it. So which time
Yes,
frame you use?
and normal time frame only for the 5 minutes only. 5 minutes, and sometimes I will check 3 minutes also in the morning. So yeah, five
Okay,
minutes and 3 minutes. That's it.
okay, yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah,
And congrats. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. And Kishore, you are doing a good job, Kishore. Thank you so much for helping. You
Yeah,
are
no
explaining
problem.
the basics every time.
Yeah, yeah, Kishore garu. So that Ankit video also help us a lot. He boost us our I mean confidence and all. So if you observe, just I'm telling to everyone. So Ankit is focus only on the TPT, take profit trader only. He did not take until 2 months. Now also, I think he did not take any other prop accounts because you want to focus only on one thing. That is enough for them, right? So whatever he getting, it's very good amount, right? So that's the strategy. Even I'm following the same. Yeah, thanks Kishore Garu for that success stories and all help us a lot.
Can you share it or did you share it recently, Kishore? Ankit one, I haven't joined it. Maybe I can watch.
Yeah, yeah, you can search on our premium channel. If you say Ankit, you'll see this video.
Okay. So did you post recently?
It's 2 weeks or around 2, 3 weeks back.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
Shwanta,
I
do you
got
have
it. Yeah.
questions?
Thanks.
Hey, Kishore, I have a question.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, so on the take profit trader, right? I think people were
Mhm.
saying that we'll focus on take profit trader. So on the payouts and those things, right? So I mean, like on the trading part, let's say we are taking NQ and then it is mm, turning against us, right? Against the trade, right? And can we take MNQ as well, or does it allow, or any observation there?
Again, when I took those trades, nothing, I got the payouts without any problem. But one of the members mentioned that he had a problem with that. So better don't, right? If it is going against, better you take stop loss and then just wait for the next segment.
Okay, okay. So like they are like
Valuation, it is okay. Only in the pro accounts. Any
Mhm.
risk is in the only with the pro where payouts are included. If it is a valuation, you can do whatever you want.
Okay, understood. And recently, and like GC, if you can go to the GC chart, I want to check something. It is showing bearish, but on the higher frame again, it is coming up bullish. And then in the 1 and 4 hour, we have big buy order block in the price pulse. That's what I'm thinking that it might touch the bottom and then go up, or like if you
Mm,
can see 1 hour or maybe 4 hour, right?
yeah,
It has a
as of
lot of.
now, it is 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hours, even 4 hours is also bearish. So, yeah, because the Meta, Microsoft also gave good earnings, so still it might be bearish for another 1, 2 days. Again, if
Okay.
there is any tariff news, then again it can become bullish. But until tomorrow, it may continue to be bearish.
So can we just hold our sell in our personal accounts, right? Can we just?
Yeah, if you short it, you can, yeah, yeah, you can hold in the personal.
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, thanks.
Hello. Hello, Kishore
Yeah,
Garu. Hi,
yeah,
this is
please.
Chakri. So the gentleman just now explained the strategy, right? His trading strategy. Could you please explain that? I didn't quite follow that strategy.
No, basically, he mentioned that one is you can mainly focus on ES instead of focusing on too many signals. Or generally, many of us try to do NQ. NQ can make money or it can blow the accounts. It is very, very volatile. So ES is more reliable or little less volatile compared to NQ. Then the second thing he mentioned is mainly trading when volume is good, right? Generally around 8:45, 8:50 a.m. Central to 10 a.m. Central, there will be good volume. There will be good one side direction. There will be a big move. So he's using 5 minutes time frame, and then looking at, right, for example, let us say,
Uh,
yeah, he'll do a success story session soon once he receives the payout. But yeah, just on a higher level, for example, you are above the magnetic area, right? Let us say in the morning time you saw the prices at the long entry, right? So it broke the magnetic area. That means buyers took the control. Once it breaks this, we enter the long. Then this is where you take profit one. This is where you take profit two. So on normal days, it will generally go until here, and then somewhere here it will start reversing. If it is any major news event or something, any major earnings or major news, then it can go all the way to the top. The
okay,
same,
got it. And he said he would place a buy order around white line. So that was the part I was a little confused. So it is
right?
he referring to the
Basically, if
magnetic
you,
area?
right, yeah, he places order here, then he put a sell order here, he put a buy order here, or he put a buy order here, he put a sell order here.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, no, Kishore Gar. If you go up, there is a white line, very thin white line, right? Yeah, at the yeah, here, yeah.
This
This
one?
no, below that, there is
No.
a yes, yeah, that line.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
So when I observed that, until that point, it came and come up, and also the red line on the top.
I see. You mean the trend lines. Got it.
Yes, yeah, the trend lines, the support and resistance, I follow that, and it works well. Yeah.
Right, right. There is the right. There is the resistance, trend line resistance, and this is the trend line midpoint. So if price is coming here, then the midpoint will, yeah, basically act as a support. Then again it will go up. Again it will come back to the midpoint. Again go up. So yeah.
Is midpoint same as magnetic area or no?
No, no. Midpoint is not same as magnetic area. So
Um,
here,
how
right?
do I
This is
get these lines?
trend line
Sorry.
support. This is your trend line resistance. This is your midpoint.
Oh, okay.
How do I get these lines? Is it part of level manager?
Yeah, future soul manager. Yeah.
Oh, okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, Abhinav, do you have any question?
Hey, Kishore, just quick question, Kishore. The GC is above the magnetic line, right? So it should be bullish, but why is it showing bearish? I just realized that it's like, as per the level manager, it should be like on high of the day. So why is it showing bearish?
Why it is high of the day? It is below the magnetic level.
Oh, for me, it's
Yeah, are you using today's levels or yesterday's level?
I am
And
maybe
are you using GC1?
maybe the contract is what is sure. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
it could be the contract.
yeah, either
So I
you
used
could
to use
use.
GC1. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you, Kishore.
yeah, Vasant, do you have any question?
Can you hear me, Kishore?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So quick question. I think I asked about this earlier as well. SoFi, I have some stocks and it's in good profit. So I know that it fell a bit. Do you think we should hold it. I was looking at the chart. For now, I think I want to hold it, but I wanted to get your suggestion as well.
So which stocks are those?
SOFI, SOFI.
Yeah, you can hold it. So
Okay.
at what point you bought it?
No, I'm not talking about the bull puts or, I'm talking about stocks. I have stocks, like
Right,
two
right. Yeah.
stocks.
Yeah, at what point you bought the stocks?
I got it at around 13 or something, 13.9 or around $14.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you should have. You are holding all the stocks, or you took some profit yesterday after the
So
earnings?
it is still over around 50% profit.
Right. Yeah, it is going on around 21, 22 now. Yeah. Yesterday it moved all the way to 25 plus.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
did. Earlier, I took some profit. I sold some stocks, but I'm keeping like 200 or something, So
Yeah, yeah. So what I suggest is you can, because now it is at the top now, you can, yeah, maybe it will go again to 24, 23 because of the offering. Yesterday they did offering. Whenever these small companies have good earnings and if they go so much high, then immediately they do the offering, which will reduce the price. So that's why from yesterday to today it got down, but again it is going up.
okay.
So again, if you're looking for long term, then yeah, you can hold it. It can go until 28, 30 also. But if you want to use that money for some other stock, you take profits on that and you can put it on something else.
Okay. I see.
So yeah, uh, as of now, yeah, it can go up to 24 again tomorrow or day after.
Sure. Rocket Lab, is it? It has been very hard. Is it gonna go up? Because it seems like it just keep consolidating. It pulls back and it just goes back on daily. Like,
As of now, it is bullish. Yeah, right. Your next target is 48. It will go till 48 and then drop.
okay, thank you, Kishore. So Kishore, they have earnings. Kishore, for they have earnings. So you think the daily they will hit 54?
Mm, yeah, based on chart, it is looking good for 54. I think they have earnings on 7th, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, 54, 53 is
It
possible.
might actually go more to Kishore because it seems like they are the only SpaceX competitor, and it's been very hot on analyst. So
Yeah, as of now, we don't see any major sell blocks here. We see all the buyers waiting here.
yeah. So
As of
Kishore,
now,
I'm holding this stock since $8. So do you think it's a good long term? I mean, I think it's gonna go, but
yeah, because there is no major competition, so it is a good one. Yeah, you can hold it
okay.
up.
And
54.
Kishore, one more, Kishore. DKNG Kishore and DraftKings, it looks really bullish. It looks like it's gonna play really good.
Yeah, it is looking
The
good.
daily close today, when
52 is the target, but
close today was really good. Thinking to like maybe place weak small. Yeah.
yeah, it can go till 52 and then drop. So as of now, it is looking bullish. Minimum until earnings, you can hold it. If it goes all the way here on the earnings, it will drop again.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Kishore.
Uh, Kishore Garu, I have another question. The IPO offering, Figma. So I got the notification. Any thoughts on it?
Yeah, which one is it?
Figma, FIG. I think it's, yeah. So it's they offered it's part of my brokerage, right? Yeah. So
Yeah, it's being IPO'd, Kishore. I think
yeah,
they're
it's
gonna
IPO. Yeah.
Okay.
it's
Yeah, I
gonna
told
IPO
him.
tomorrow at 34 or something.
I told him.
33 is what I got.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but usually they will have demand on first day one, day two. Yeah, if you can get early, then that is good, but don't buy at 60s or 70s. Suddenly on day one, they will move so much, and then there will be a dump.
Yeah, this is like the first time I'm looking at the IPO. The only rule they have is I have to hold it for 120 days. Otherwise, it's going to be a $50 for the first sell and then $5 or $10 for the consecutive ones.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know much about that company. I don't have any inputs.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Figma is like Adobe. I mean, the UX
Yeah.
users will use that, right? That is the one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Sudhir, Gundlapalli. You have any question? Yeah, if no other questions.
Yeah, sure. This Anand here.
Yeah, no, please go ahead.
Yeah, so this future trading, is it considered as a day trading, or like does it have any limitations on buy sell per day?
No, it doesn't come under PDT or anything. You can have even 5,000, 10,000. You can trade any number of trades. It is not considered as day trading limits or restrictions.
Okay, actually, I have a personal account with 30,000. After buying one yesterday, yes, I tried to add one more. It did not allow me. You exceeded the limit or something like that. Do
Again,
I?
based on brokerage, if you have a margin, then you can do more contracts.
Okay, I need to get the margin in that case. I just have a cash account. Probably that's why I didn't add the margin.
Right. Right. Yeah. With cash, you can only do one, but if you have margin, you can do more.
Okay. And in case of margin, if you buy and if you sell it on the same day, that doesn't count under any interest for that one, margin usage?
Right.
Okay. And the other thing is entry and exit is still a challenge. I think I'm still learning on that one. Yesterday I took that ES, and by morning I think it was going down. So how do we estimate like if it is going down further or going long or short?
Again, right. One thing you can do is if you want to hold in personal accounts, you can use 1 hour.
Okay.
So if 1 hour, let us see, yes. So you came all the way to the bottom, you got a buy, you go long.
Mm-hmm.
Now it went all the way to the top. So, but the trend is overall bullish. If the trend is looking bullish, you look for buy at the bottom. If the trend is bearish, you look for sell at the top. Either you can use 1 hour or 15 minutes. You can go little higher time frames if you want to hold for multiple days or you want to know when to enter, when to exit. Your profits will be much. So here, for example, came all the way to the bottom of the band, you got a buy. It went all the way to now. If you get a sell in 15 minutes, then again it will drop minimum 10-20 points. So whenever it comes back to the support, again it will go up. So you try to sell at the top, buy at the bottoms.
Okay. Yeah, I tried today, first time ever, scalping with the GC, and I made a profit for the first time using the strategy. Again, thank you. I'm still learning, long way to go, but still that fear of entry and exit is still there. I need to understand more strategically how to overcome that.
Right, right. Yeah, it comes with practice. Yeah. But yeah, basically you got it right. Overall, if the trend is bearish, you look for the sell opportunities. So you see the colors, just we have to match the
Yeah.
color. If the colors are red, then mainly look for sell. If the colors are all are green, look for the buy at the bottom.
Yeah, for example, this one, right? SL, I took at 3707 or something. But now it's after I took that shot, it's going up and down. It's like, although the overall trend is bearish, but still, this is what sometimes, oh, okay, did I enter the wrong time?
Right. So you have to right at what. So you have to enter somewhere close to right. Here you have sellers.
Yeah.
Here you have buyers. So you have to enter along with the other sellers. Don't enter where buyers are buying it. If you enter somewhere here, then there is strong lot of buy orders are here. So if it goes
So in
all the
this
way
case, it's going sideways basically in between this, most likely.
to
Although the overall trend is a bearish, so it has to break down the bull power or
right, this if
the
it breaks,
buyers
if it
to
breaks this
go
support
further down.
level, then it will go further down here. It will come all the way down here, right? Because right, it will not continue to go down, right? Already from here, it went up, it came down. So now both buyers and so buyers are trying to take it up, sellers are bringing it down. Again, buyers taking it up, sellers bringing it. So if sellers take more control, then they will break the support, bring it all the way down here. Mostly that will happen in next few minutes. But yeah, always wait, right? So just think like a box, right? You try
Yeah.
to sell at the top of the box, buy at the bottom of it. Or again, if it is bullish ticker, buy at the bottom. If it is bearish ticker, sell at the top. Don't try to sell here or don't try to buy here.
Abhishek, this is here. I'm using the level manager, but I'm not seeing the support and trend lines. White and
Yeah,
red lines.
just delete and add, right? Create a new tab, click on plus sign,
Okay.
and then you delete and add it back. You'll see all those. Yeah. Raj, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, do you want to share your screen?
Yes, please.
Yeah, Kishore Gar, one quick question. So, do we have a event session for tomorrow, 7:30?
Tomorrow it's not a major event, the PPI.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Just checking. That's
but generally it will be bullish. It will generally whatever CPI happens, PPI will same
okay.
thing.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Kishore, can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. You are seeing my trading view, correct?
Right.
Okay. So the white line and all those things we talked about, is this the one or this is not the one?
Yeah, that is yeah. Generally, if it is bearish, then price will go till that point and drop. If it is bullish, that white line will act as a support.
Oh, okay. Okay. And should I be seeing a red line also, or red line won't be there?
Red line also will be there.
Okay. I'm not seeing it. Oh, is it this one?
Right.
Oh, this is way
It's a
above.
trend line resistance. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. And earlier I was, this does not see, no, in the price pulse. Let me go to the price pulse. What is it? Did not load, I guess. This is not happening now anymore. But what I noticed was these were 5 minutes and 15 minutes were a little bit opposite to what is happening in the chart. Like for example, if this is going bullish, it was showing bearish.
Right. In higher time frame, GC is bearish. Right. If you look in go to 1 hour chart.
Okay.
So if you look at a whole picture, do you think price is going down or going up? So yeah, can you minimize the zoom out?
Yeah,
So
yeah. So I mean, I can see that it is bearish by looking here and also the chart.
right.
Yeah, yeah, it is bearish. Okay. Yeah, that is fine. I just didn't know whether it is showing correctly or not according to the chart, but maybe it was showing. Okay.
Right.
That's all I had, Kishore garu. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then we'll continue tomorrow morning again. So yeah, just follow that strategy. Choose this, understand the trend, and just take the signals only in that direction. And then yeah, if you are new in the morning time, either you practice with Apex 250K, 300K, some big accounts, or you just take a micro. In the evening time, you can make money every day, $300, $400 easily in each pro account or each prop account. Yeah. Bye everyone. Talk in the morning.
Good night, Kishore garu.
Yeah. Good night everyone.